Tella Cline, Cerio notice was from 2019. YouTuber and Glenn Cerio expert Tella Cline provided a strange update on Glenn Cerio's recent $100 million lawsuit against Everett, Washington crime scene analyst Erica Bennett, as despite Cerio's claims otherwise, the actual police bulletin involved in the case was created and released in 2019. The notice read, "Since mid-December, there have been several concerning interactions with Glenn R. Cerio Jr. and Everett Police Department. During a traffic stop on November 15, 2019, Cerio was less than cooperative and asked for a supervising sergeant to arrest the officer making the stop. Since the stop, he has called at least 6 times to complain to supervisors. On November 22, 2019, Cerio called threatening to have a patrol car towed from the Walmart parking lot. The most recent interaction with Cerio was on December 4, 2019, at the EPD substation located at 1130 Rainier Avenue. He was filming the interaction on his cell phone and told the officer, same officer that made the traffic stop on November 15, 2019, that he committed a felony and was going to jail. Cerio claims to be a YouTube auditor and may be attempting to provoke officers while recording the interaction. His behavior appears to be escalating, and officers should use caution when dealing with him." While the bulletin contained confidential information, which is redacted in our copy, such as Cerio's date of birth, social security number, and driver's license number, that information appears automatically generated by the system and are used for identification of the individuals who are subject of the bulletins. The bulletin is marked for law enforcement use only, law enforcement sensitive, and would not normally be released to the public. Also of note, the document produced in 2019 claims that Cerio is 5 foot 10 inches tall and weighed 220 pounds at the time of his last arrest in 2019. From Cerio's description included in a small claims court lawsuit against Bennett, Cerio is apparently claiming that Bennett recently generated the document and distributed it as part of a scheme to steal his identity. Cerio made similar claims against Tella Cline in his lawsuit against her, that the information released, by displaying Cerio's own video containing that information, was knowingly distributed in order to steal his identity. Cerio is asking for $10,000 in lost wages from both women in the lawsuits. He has yet to produce his threatened multiple $50 million lawsuits or his single $100 million lawsuit.